Hi everybody and welcome back. Rog here. Well, today I'm going to be cooking outside in my garden on this Weber kettle barbecue that you see here, and I'm going to try and cook something a little bit special. It's chicken wings. I mean, we all cook chicken wings, don't we? And we normally quite often cook with something sweet like honey. Well, today I'm going to be cooking with apricot jam, and this dish is hot, it is sweet, it is tasty, it's got everything that you might want, but also as a sort of a side dish I'm going to caramelise some fresh apricots to go with it. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll carry on, show you how I get on. Delicious chicken wings with an apricot glaze. What more could you ask for? So, here are the ingredients that we're going to need. We're going to need these lovely fresh chicken wings that we've got here, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and about 2 or 3 tablespoons full of muscovado brown sugar. And we're going to need this apricot jam that I've got here, Hartley's, yeah, it's a good name, and some soy sauce. Into the mixing bowl with our jam and the soy sauce. We'll start stirring this together, and then we can add our spices, paprika. Remember, these are all 1 teaspoon, so it's really easy to remember. Garlic powder, sea salt, chili flakes. You can add more of these if you want it a little bit hotter. Black pepper, and of course our muscovado sugar. I'm going to give this a mix together, incorporate it all in the bowl there, add a little bit of olive oil just to loosen it up. That's better, makes it a little bit more liquid, perhaps a bit more. It's not quite liquid enough yet. There we go, a nice sticky mixture, that's what we want. We'll put a little bit more of the apricot jam in and then mix this. There you go, that's looking much better now. And it's off to the chicken wings. We're going to spread this evenly all over the chicken wings, both sides, top and bottom. A nice thick coat. There we go, don't miss any. And it's off to the barbecue. We've got this going, needs a few minutes to warm up. As you can see, it's a lovely Weber kettle barbecue. Okay, so we've got some nice heat there now, so it's time to pile on these chicken wings. Give them a turn over as they're getting cooked. Do this frequently until they cook right through. And we're going to baste these part way through. And you can't have these chicken wings without some lovely apricots. I'm going to put these on the barbecue, get them caramelised, bring out the sweetness and the flavour, and they can go on as a side dish. Give them a turn over part way through. Look at the colour on those, they look lovely, don't they? Oh yes. Very flavoursome. And there's some final shots. Doesn't that look lovely? Could eat that right now. In fact, I think I will. Well, there we go. Look at that lovely glaze on that chicken wing. Apricot glaze. Beautiful. Now to give it a little try. Yeah, sure is sticky. I'm going to enjoy this so much. And the rest, of course. Thanks for watching this latest video of mine. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. There's more videos to come, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye for now.